Hello and welcome to this video exploring the compelling reasons for studying cybersecurity and how it can significantly benefit your career and future. Cybersecurity stands as one of the most dynamic and crucial fields in the realm of technology, offering both excitement and substantial demand. Let's delve into why you should consider pursuing a career in cybersecurity. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 28% growth in employment for information security analysts from 2020 to 2030. This demand is driven by the increasing need for cybersecurity across various sectors, safeguarding individuals, businesses, and governments from cyber threats and crimes. Information security analysts in the US enjoy a median annual salary of $107,343, surpassing the national median earnings across all industries. Cybersecurity professionals can explore diverse industries like finance, healthcare, education, defense, and more, and can advance their careers through certifications and specialization. Cybersecurity encompasses a range of roles, catering to different interests and skills. Examples include security engineer, security analyst, penetration tester, forensics expert, security consultant, security manager, security architect, and chief information security officer, CISO. Cybersecurity professionals face complex challenges that demand creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. The field offers the satisfaction of making a positive impact on society by preventing and mitigating cyber attacks and crimes. Cybersecurity is a multidisciplinary field incorporating science, technology, engineering, mathematics, social sciences, humanities, and ethics. Studying cybersecurity provides technical, analytical, communication, and ethical skills that are valuable not only in cybersecurity but also in other fields and personal development. In conclusion, studying cybersecurity opens up a fascinating and rewarding career path with numerous opportunities and challenges. The multidimensional skills acquired can propel your professional and personal development. For those interested in exploring cybersecurity further, check out resources and courses in the video description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. See you next time.